So 2012 Equinox low beam replacement. So last video removing, and then now we're back with the replacement bulb. So put them side by side. Well, take your VIN number, part number. Make sure you have the right part. If you look at the connections, pretty much equal. The locking section pretty much equal. And my tool, once again, which is T15 hex head for this screw that goes over the access cover, protects this. So back to installation. There's the access cover. And here's the connector. Just put it on, and then it goes in this hole. So there's 3 slots. Put it in, twist it, and put the cover on. It's a pretty simple process. Here's the connect, and here's the bulb. I'm just gonna snap this on the connector. So the bulb is secure on the connector. So I got put it up in the slot and twist it in the slot, twist it. So now before I button it back up, gotta make sure the light works. Time for show and tell. There we go. Light bulb. There we go. Perfect. So now we put our cap back on. And then cap is back on and secured. Last step is install the access code. It's pretty simple. The slots 1, 2, 3, and then twist. Just to save some time, make sure the hole, when you line up the 3 slots, go here. Throw your screw. And the last, release port. Access plate cover screw. There you have it. 2012 Equinox low beam headlight replacement without taking the wheels off.